In the previous video, we learned how to add shapes, images, and text to the canvas. And we used the Color Sync panel to get the design to cut on one mat, and Attach to lock all the elements in place during cutting. In this video, we'll trim and prep our materials, cut our design, and prepare the cut to be applied to our t-shirt. Whenever you're ready, click Make It. Since we're doing an iron-on, first thing we must always do is mirror our image. If you don't mirror, the words will be backwards when they're transferred to your shirt. So every time you're working with iron-on, mirror your images, and you'll never go wrong. Hit Continue when you're done. Now we need to set our material. If you're using the Cricut Maker, go to the Expanded Materials list. And in the Categories dropdown, select Iron-On, and select Glitter Iron-On from this list. If you're using a Cricut Explore machine, turn your dial to Custom, and then go through the same steps. Click the Expanded Materials list, select Iron-On in the Category dropdown, and Glitter Iron-On. Then click Done. Iron-on material is really two attached pieces. There's the heat transfer film itself, which is what gets cut and adhered to your project, and then there's this clear carrier sheet, which holds the design in place as it gets cut and transferred to the shirt. Don't remove the clear sheet. Position your iron-on material on the cutting mat so that the clear sheet, that's the shinier side, is face down on the mat. To reduce waste, it's a good idea to trim the material down whenever you can. Now load the mat, and when you're ready, press the flashing Go button. That's it, you're off and cutting. Now that it's finished cutting, we're ready to prep the design for application. First, carefully remove the excess film from around the design. Next, grab the Weeder tool from your Cricut toolkit and start weeding, meaning remove all the smaller pieces inside the image. Once it's fully weeded, well done by the way, guess what? You're officially iron-on prepped. In the next video, we'll show you how to apply your design to your project. See you there!